Meet Medicine Master Buddha. At the beginning of assembly, we would like to invite 12 great Dharma protectors of Medicine Master Buddha. They are very powerful divine generals: Kumbhira, Vajra, Mihira, Andira, Anila, Sandila, Indra, Pajra, Makura, Sindura, Catura, and Vikarala. What these 12 great Dharma protectors do? They protect the 12 great vows of Medicine Master Buddha. There are also numerous non-human and human Dharma protectors who vow to protect and guard the teachings of Medicine Buddha. Why Buddhas need Dharma protectors? They are positive and negative energies on the earth. Negative powers always want to destroy Buddha's teachings, which represent positive powers and forces. The Dharma protectors want to make sure the positive powers can be preserved and passed down. Sutra, thus as I heard, traveling all over the lands to preach his teachings. Buddha Shakyamuni one day arrived at the city of Vaisali. He sat under the Resounding tree. Immediately, he was surrounded by 8,000 monks, 36,000 Bodhisattvas, lay people including kings, brahmins, and followers, 8 groups of dragons, and many celestial beings. This big crowd was respectfully waiting for Buddha Shakyamuni to discourse. It was an amazing gathering. Whenever Buddha had something significant to share, Bodhisattvas in much higher realms, dragons acting as security guards, celestial beings such as chimeras who are invisible to human eyes, and of course, human beings were attracted to the assembly by Buddha's power. Without microphones and speakers, how did Buddha Shakyamuni send his sound waves to hundreds of thousands of beings around him? Remember, most of those beings in higher dimensions such as Bodhisattvas, dragons, and deities were invisible to human eyes, but they were there to support and assist the assembly. They could act as sound wave transmitters, sending sound vibrations to those who rely on physical ears, sitting at far corners. Why the Sutra of Medicine Master Buddha was not spoken by Medicine Master Buddha, but by Buddha Shakyamuni? Millions of years before Buddha Shakyamuni was born, as a prince, Siddhartha, an energy being of Medicine Master Buddha, manifested on the earth as a human and witnessed the human sufferings. He made 12 great vows to be functioned on the earth to help sentient beings, but left no written records. Buddha Shakyamuni presented Medicine Master Buddha and his 12 great vows at this assembly. These 12 great vows are still working today. I'll talk about Manchuri stood out next time. See you soon!